Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the dollar CAD did bounce from a fib level and it is pushing down, but we do not have a breaker structure down. We do not have a lower high. There's no reason yet to say that this move up right here is complete. And I still would expect this move up to take out at least the high, even if it really is an ABC crescent. I would at least expect it to take out the high of wave A. So we do want to continue to be bullish for the most part. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. If we bounce from a Fibonacci level, which it could be any one of these levels, and break structure to the upside, then I would definitely start looking for longs, or I would go long and continue to look for longs. The trend is up on the daily for sure. If it doesn't do that, a normal fib bounce isn't nothing to us. If it just bounces, goes down, doesn't break structure, goes down and takes out this low, then that's what's going to tell me that the daily time frame is back down and that we need to start looking for shorts on these sort of time frames again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.